So the last video I made, I didn't show how to take the screen off because I didn't have a broken one. Well, now I do. I forgot how far I went, so I'll just start here. Off to the side. Now let's take off the LCD. So now we have the touchscreen and we have the LCD right here. Comes right off. LCD, put off to the side. We're not touching that. So now you have the touchscreen right here. I'm gonna grab my heat gun and I'll show you how to take that off. So a heat gun, hair dryer, whatever you have will work. You don't even need that if you don't have that. It just makes the job a lot easier. You just heat up around the sides. Turn the heat up a little bit. Doesn't matter how hot you get this one because you're not going to use it. There's no LCD behind it, so don't even worry about it. Shit, you can probably even put it in the goddamn oven. Because all we're using from here is just the metal bracket. That's it. Just be careful, it's going to be hot. Try this out. Let's see if I can see myself in the, yeah, perfect. So now you just take box cutter down the whole length of the screen. I think I know what you're talking about now, that you're talking about two different layers. This is what you're probably talking about. Oops, this one did not get hot enough over here. Let me hit the bottom. So if you have JBL, your new one is not going to say JBL on it, but it's the exact same thing. The numbers here, it doesn't matter. It's all the same thing. Now it's completely off. You just want to make sure all the glass and everything's off of here. Sometimes it's harder to get off than others. I don't know why. Alright, so we're going to continue the video. So now you got the frame. Now you're going to take your screen. Take the plastic off, of course. I usually take one side off. Just the side I'm working on. Now take off the double-sided tape, just peel it right off. Be careful when you put it in that this ribbon cable doesn't get stuck to the double-sided tape. And when you put it on, just make sure it's straight. And that's it. Once you see it's nice and straight, just push it on the sides, make sure it sticks, and then just finish it up, and you're good to go. Any questions, just feel free to ask me a question. One more thing, make sure the ribbon cable is completely straight once you put it in. You'll know it's straight. See that? If it doesn't push down easy, don't force it down.